Welcome back to Teen or Share 4D Dig channel. If you ever recorded a screen video and found it corrupted or unplayable, you know how frustrating it can be. Today we are going to cover several ways to fix videos corrupted while recording, step by step. So imagine recording an important game, a tutorial, or a meeting only to get home and find the file won't play. The audio is gone or the video is choppy and fuzzy. Maybe you tried multiple times or it happens across devices, iPhone, Android, Mac, or PC. Don't worry, you're not alone, and there's a solution. So if you're on iPhone or Android, MP4 Fix can save the day. Install the app, select your corrupted video, pick a reference recording from the same device, and tap Repair. Within minutes, the video is usually fixed. Sometimes a quick VLC trick also works too. Rename your corrupted file to .avi, open VLC Media Player, go to Tools, Preference, Input/Codecs, and select Always Fix for damaged AVI files. Then play it to see if VLC can reconstruct the playback. If the recording didn't save properly, check device storage or your cloud backups like iCloud or Google Photos. Open the backup app, locate the recording, and restore a previous version if available. Works especially well for interrupted recordings or partial files. Now, for seriously corrupted recordings, 4D Dig Video Repair is perfect. It's an AI-powered tool for Windows and Mac that can repair corrupted video files, including screen recordings, supported MP4, MOV, AVI, MKV, and more. Fixes choppy, fuzzy, unplayable, black screen, or no sound videos. Works with files from phones, cameras, drones, and screen recorders. Batch processing and online repair are also supported. So if your recordings isn't clear, it can enhance video quality too. So now let's see how to actually start repairing your corrupted videos. Open 4D Dig Video Repair. Click on the Video Repair tab and import your corrupted videos. Don't worry, 4D Dig Video Repair won't alter your original files, so no extra backup is needed. So once the repair is complete, you can preview the result. If you're happy, save it. If not, try the advanced repair function. You can also change the output video format before saving. There are 4 popular formats to choose from. Don't forget, the tool also keeps a repair history so you can track previous repairs. So we covered 4 ways to fix videos corrupted while recording: MP4 Fix for mobile, VLC for quick fix, cloud backup recovery, and 4D Dig Video Repair for all-in-one AI repair and enhancement. For fast, reliable results, 4D Dig Video Repair is your go-to tool. So yeah, that's it in this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell. We'll keep sharing practical tutorials.